Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing Christmas in July craft. I really hope that you enjoy. This makes a beautiful handmade gift as well as decor, and you can make this to craft and sell. So I'm starting off with this box here. You can get these blank boxes from eBay or Amazon, and you can also use a tin if you want to reuse something. This is all I had. So we're going to begin by decorating the inside of the box, and of course we've got two halves to decorate. So I'm starting with the bigger one here. This is the bottom one, and I've just printed this off the internet. I actually used this for a previous project, so that's some acrylic painter splashed on there. This is a little bit big, so what we're going to do is place box or tin, whatever you're using, on top of your paper, and then take your pencil and draw along so we can cut off the excess. So if you don't celebrate Christmas like me, this is beautiful as a winter piece. So you can use whatever you want to glue it down. I'm going to use this double-sided tape. And then just peeling the backing off. So for the other one, you're going to do the same, but this time I'm going to be using a gift bag. So I'm placing my box on top again, and then drawing around it. I always find winter and Christmas gift bags to be so beautiful, so I do love buying them to reuse for my crafts. And so I've just fitted in the gift bag background inside my box. I've got these gift tags, and I'm going to cut out the little bit here that says Starry Night to place inside the background. Now I'm taking my hot glue to stick that in the centre. And then you can embellish. This is optional, so I've got this wooden snowflake and then these plastic ones too. And I'm going to stick these down just with my hot glue. I think a third one right here. Now you want to take a acrylic pen like this to go over the edges of the box. So just at the top and then the bottom and the sides. Doesn't have to be neat or done in any particular way. And now the other one. Then at the bottom here we're going to be taking some filler or spackle, and this is going to act as our artificial snow. If you don't want to do this, you can use some cotton wool, maybe some glitter. I just feel like this is really realistic. So I'm taking this tool here just to flatten it down. And if you place anything down like I will later, I'm going to add some wooden embellishments and trees. This also acts as a glue, so everything will be stuck down without having to add anything else like hot glue. I also love adding glitter to this, just to give it that realistic glisten that snow has. This is actually going to dry in, and it just really brings it to life. Now working on the background, I am using these wooden trees, and I'm going to add some of this filler again, just to act like snow on the tops of the trees. And again sprinkling the glitter on to these areas. And just tapping it in to make sure that it actually sticks. And then I have this smaller tree, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the filler and the glitter. Now I have some foam stickers. I also have the wooden embellishments, but I felt like that's going to be too much wood, so I'm going to use this foam sticker instead. If you want to, you can also print out anything you want in the background and just cut it out, stick it onto some card. So this is the final project. This is how it looks with the deer inside. I love everything miniature. I just think it gives it that whimsical, magical touch. So it goes without saying that I love this piece too. I also enjoy taking everyday objects and creating a different use for them. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.